Last year, my bouncing bubbles video hit over 100 million views, because let's be honest, bubbles are magic for all ages. So I've pulled together the best bubble activities, from sensory bags to bubble foam, to spark play and learning for every child. Stay tuned, your new favourite bubble activity could just be seconds away. We're going to jump straight in with some activities for our babies before we move on to toddlers, preschoolers and our school-aged children. The following activities all require adult supervision. Why not give this bubbly feet kick activity a go? All you need to do is add your baby's bubble bath into a shallow tray along with some warm water. I've used this deep one because it's the smallest one I had. Sit your baby on your lap and then encourage them to splash around in the water using their feet. This simple setup is perfect for supporting your baby's gross motor skills and coordination as they kick their feet in the bubbly water, as well as their visual tracking skills. Simply blowing bubbles offers the perfect opportunity to work on your baby's visual tracking skills as they watch the bubbles float around in front of them. It's also a great way to practice their hand-eye coordination as they reach out for the bubbles, and then fine and gross motor skills as they get older. DIY this tummy time sensory bag for your baby. Use some nail varnish remover to take the writing off the Ziploc bag and then fill it with a little bit of baby oil. Add in some drops of food colouring and then push out as much air as possible and seal the bag. Grab your masking tape and tape it to the floor. Lay your baby on their belly in front of the bags. Encourage them to poke, push and prod to make the colours move. This little tummy time sensory bag is perfect for hand-eye coordination, visual tracking skills, and neck, shoulder, and back strength. Use some spare bubble wrap to make this activity for your baby. Wrap the bubble wrap around a lid or a tray, and then encourage your little one to click at the bubble wrap. They can feel the bubbles on their toes. This simple bubble wrap activity offers a great introduction to gross motor, fine motor, and bodily awareness as your little one kicks their feet and touches the bubble wrap. That's the end of our baby section. Now let's have a look at what bubbly fun our toddlers can have. Try this mess-free bubble wrap painting craft with your toddler. Add some paint splats onto a piece of paper or card and then tape some bubble wrap over the top. Encourage them to move their fingers and hands around on the paint to make it move. This mess-free activity is perfect for developing your little one's fine motor and mark-making skills as they move the paint around underneath the bubble wrap, as well as their colour recognition as they mix the colours together. If your little one loves bubbles, give this bubble printing activity a go. Add a squeeze of paint and washing up liquid into a bowl and then add in a splash of water. Mix it together until it's fully combined and then find some Play-Doh cutters. Dunk the Play-Doh cutter into the soapy mixture and then onto the paper. You might have to poke the middle of the bubble to make it pop. This bubbly activity is the perfect way to add some creativity into your toddler's day. It also works on their fine motor skills and colour recognition as they explore the different coloured mixtures you've made up. If you're loving these bubble play ideas, I create themed activity packs just like this every single month in Cubs Club. It's a membership designed to make play easy, meaningful and developmentally rich for your little one. Inside each pack you'll find activity ideas for your toddlers and preschoolers, all linked to milestones and backed by learning, designed with a bingo twist for some extra fun. Founding members get the current pack instantly and lock in the bonus price. Tap the link below to join Cubs Club and make play simple and special this month. If you have some spare bubble wrap laying around, you can make this bubble wrap printing activity. Cut the bubble wrap into all sorts of different shapes and sizes and then grab some paint. Cover the bubble wrap in paint and then press it down onto a piece of card. As you lift the bubble wrap up, it will leave a bubbly printed mark behind. This stamping activity offers a great way to work on our little one's fine motor skills, colour recognition and creativity. If you want to combine your little one's love of cars and early mark making, why not give this activity a go? Draw a road onto a piece of paper and then squirt on some paint. Layer some bubble wrap over the top, then encourage your little one to move their cars over the bubble wrap to leave marks in the paint. This simple little car activity is the perfect way to practice hand-eye coordination as they move the car around, as well as colour recognition and mark making as they move the paint around and make it mix under the bubble wrap. Now let's take a look at the fun our preschoolers can have. Using this tutorial, you can make your very own bubble dragon. Grab a bowl and add 1 cup of water and 1/4 of a cup of washing up liquid and mix it together. Next, you want to take your empty plastic bottle and cut off the bottom. Pull a sock over the bottom of your bottle and then dunk it in the soapy mixture. As you blow through the bottle, you'll make your very own bubble dragon. This activity offers the perfect opportunity to work on your preschoolers' gross motor skills as they chase after the bubbles when they fly off the dragon. You can test ideas by doing long and short blows and introduce talk of size like short and long. Use these bubble snake straws to make your very own bubbly picture. Add some washing up liquid into ice cube trays and then squirt in some water. In the empty slots, add in some food colouring and then grab a wet wipe. Cut the wet wipe into smaller pieces and then fold one piece over the end of each straw. Secure it in place with a rubber band. Once you've made up all of the straws, you can dunk the wet wipe end into the food colouring and then into the soapy mixture. As your little one blows through the straw, it will leave a colourful bubbly trail behind. These mini bubble snakes are the perfect way to introduce some creativity and imagination into your preschooler's day. It can work on their colour recognition as they explore the different colours, as well as their fine motor skills as they blow through the straws. If you add a squirt of paint, a drop of washing up liquid and a splash of water into a cup and mix it together, you make the perfect bubbly mixture for some bubble printing. Blow through the straw to make lots of bubbles, then place a piece of card over the top. As you lift it up, it will leave a bubbly print behind. If you're worried about your little one drinking any of the mixture, add a small cut to the top of the straw. Bubble printing is a great way to work on some fine motor skills as your preschooler blows through the straw, as well as colour recognition as they make the different coloured prints and creativity. Bubble foam is our next activity. We'll be taking a sneak peek into my sensory play recipe book for this tutorial. The link is in the description if you fancy a copy. Use this recipe to make your very own bubble foam. First, you want to add half a cup of water and a quarter of a cup of bubble bath into a bowl. Add in a splash of food colouring if you want it to be coloured, and then whisk it together either with a hand whisk or an electric whisk. Once you're getting stiff peaks, you're ready to pour it into your tray. Repeat this step for as many colours as you like. You can add in spoons and bowls, they can explore it with their hands, or you can hide toys inside for them to find. Bubble foam makes for a really unique sensory base. We can use it to work on our little ones' colour recognition and fine motor skills as they move the bubble foam around the tray. It also works on their imagination as they use the resources you've placed within the bubble foam to narrate their own play. Last but definitely not least, let's take a look at the activities for our bigger kids. This is where you'll find the bouncing bubble recipe. If your little one is learning their letters, give this interactive bubble activity a go. Print out the sheet and glue over the letters. Carefully place the bubble sheet over the top, making sure that each bubble is covering a letter. Cut out the bubbles and then grab a torch. Shine the torch through the back of the bubble and encourage your little one to make the sound of the letter that's revealed. Alternatively, you can pour some baby oil into a jar and grab a cotton bud. Encourage your little one to dip the cotton bud into the oil and wipe it over the bubble. As the letter is revealed, they can make the sound. This bubble letter activity is a perfect way to work on your little one's letter recognition as well as their phonics knowledge as they make the different sounds as the letters appear. You can also use it as a tool to work on your little one's speech and language. Make your very own bouncing bubble mixture using this recipe. Add 4 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of washing up liquid into a jar. Mix it together until most of the sugar has dissolved, and then grab a bubble wand and glove. Blow the bubbles with the bubble wand and bounce the bubbles on the glove. How many bounces can they do before the bubble pops? This bouncing bubble activity is a perfect way to work on your child's hand-eye coordination as well as their gross and fine motor skills as they gently bounce the bubble off of the glove. It also gives them an opportunity to test their ideas like how high can they bounce the bubble before it pops. I hope these bubble activities bring lots of giggles, curiosity and connection to your playtime. And if you'd like even more ideas to spark learning through play, I'd love to welcome you into the Cubs Club. You'll find fresh inspiration waiting for you each month. Until next time, take care and happy playing.